Say as an arija whānau, and let's give thanks to arija and to our tipuna for te reo Māori, te reo o ngā tipuna, te reo rangatira. I look forward to bringing you this free 4-part series of videos, tutorials. Let's tune up whānau, let's go! Tēnā koutou e te whānau, te Umuariki here with our series of videos, tutorials, written context of the ABCs of te reo Māori, and what we call in the whānau, in the reo, te matatau o te reo. So one day when that matatau, when those little seedlings, when it grows, you become fluent. Matatau, when someone is fluent, their proficiency, their pronunciation, their enunciation, and one day with your mōhio, your māramatanga, and one day that will become your mātauranga, and that's knowledge and education itself. But for now whānau, we're breaking it right down to te matatau o te reo, the ABCs of te reo Māori. I'm looking forward to bringing you a series of videos. There'll be over four-part series, a 4-part series whānau. So there'll be the visual, the kinesthetic, the hands-on approach, the A, E, I, O, U, just for you whānau, and that will help you. Otherwise you're just sitting there like this, or you're writing and it just stays in your head. So this is the correlation, the movement, just like that. Karanga mai, titiro mai, whakarongo mai, the relativeness of the actions and to help you. There'll be the audio, there'll be tutorials whānau, e te whānau. There'll be tutorials, there'll be audio tapes as well, just to help you focus on the oro, on the sounds themselves. So yeah, that's the ABCs of te reo Māori. Looking forward to bringing it to you. Have another series coming out later that will follow on from this, known as the 1, 2, 3s of te reo Māori. But it's not only about the ABCs, it's not only about the 1, 2, 3s, it's about te kōrero. And after all, that's where it comes from your voice box, your korokoro, this is our instrument, and it comes out, and your kōrero, so you can kōrero I roto I te reo. Nō reira whānau, look forward to bringing that to you soon. Let's have a quick look at what are the 4 parts. The 4 parts is there'll be visual videos in this series. There'll be audio, there'll be tutorials. Series 3, there'll be tuhi. We'll look at the written context, all nice and broken down, nice and simple. But with that simple breakdown, that simple beginning, you'll be able to begin on your journey for your eventual mātauranga. And then we'll finish it off by giving you an iiBOOK with 2 I's, iiBOOK, interactive information. That will be your, how can I put it? Rather than going to the library and you don't know where to go, apart from the ladies put all those signs up, the iiBOOK will help you go to YouTube and find what you want. So follow your iiBOOK and its illustrations, follow the iiBOOK, don't even go to YouTube, and that's where you'll get all your tutorials. Alongside the iiBOOK, you'll have your PDF, your printable document file to download. Nice and clear and concise. You can blow it up for picture form for your work, your kura, your home, and put it up there in the first week while you're learning te matatau o te reo. I think that's pretty much covered it all. Yeah, I think let's rock it out. Looking forward to bringing it to you. Don't forget, if you get an opportunity, I don't always say this, but patua te tanipa, hit that red button or whatever colour it is. Hit that. It's all about communication and opening up the lines of communication. So hitting that button will allow you to receive ongoing stuff from me, videos, resources, ebooks, yeah, and share the information. That's it for now. I'll see you out there over the next few videos. Te hei, mauri ora, A, E, I,